Hi students, MCQ number 7. 1 liter of an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius is heated at constant pressure to a temperature 297 degrees Celsius. The final volume of the gas is to be determined. It is a very simple question. Clue is a gas is heated at constant pressure. So Charles' law can be applied. So at constant pressure, the volume of a certain mass of a gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. So V is proportional to T and V1 is proportional to T1, V2 is proportional to T2. So now T1 is given as 27 degrees Celsius, corresponding temperature and absolute scale capital T1 is equal to 27 plus 273 Kelvin. So this is equal to 300 K. Similarly, T2 is equal to 297 degrees Celsius. So this is equal to 297 plus 273 in Kelvin. So this 3 is added here, 300, 570. So this is 570 Kelvin. So carefully you will have to substitute in Kelvin. Now V1 is given as 1 liter. Okay. So V1 is taken as 1 liter. We need not convert it in meter cube because the answer is in liter only. So V2 has to be found. So now I will take the ratio directly. V2 by V1 is equal to T2 by T1. So this is equal to T2 is 570 divided by T1 is 300. So this 0 get cancelled. Exactly 19 3s are 57 and it is divided by 10. So this must be equal to 19 by 10. So this is equal to 1.9 liter. So V2 is equal to V1. V1 is 1 liter. So into 1.9 is equal to what? 1.9 liter. Therefore, which is the correct option is B. So option B is the correct answer. So this problem is solved on the basis of Charles' law, that is volume is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.